Hi guys, welcome back to another video diary, not in Switzerland but in Helsinki, Finland. So for today's video, ito same pa rin nasuot ko yung outro ko ng isang video. But anyway, for today's video, I'll be going to the beach as well as baka mag-try din ako ng mga local foods nila dito sa Helsinki, Finland. So we can try like their local dishes. And I'm so excited for this trip kasi relax ko lang ulit itong araw na to, no? For any trip, hindi naman kailangan every hour meron ka mga destinations. It's okay to be spontaneous. It's okay to be relaxed. Kasi hindi naman pagkabakasyon ay talagang pupuntahan mo lahat. So anyway, that's the perks of traveling alone. You have your own time. You can do whatever you want. You can just stay home, rest, etc. But anyway, I hope you like this video and hinihintay ko lang yung train ko. So maraming salamat. Keep watching. So guys, naiwan tayo ng bangka. Actually, yung binibidyohan ko palang bangka, yun pala yung sasakyan natin. But anyway, ito yung pupuntahan kong beach. And every hour yung kanyang pagpunta doon, 9:30, 10:30. And 9:32 na, so hindi ako nakaabot. So anyway, hintayin na lang natin mag 10:30. Hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. So, ayan ata yun. So that's 112. So, check na lang natin. So hi guys, so while waiting, I just went to this coffee shop. It's the Auri coffee shop here in Helsinki. Actually, hindi ko siya nakita sa Google Maps and then nadaanan ko lang. It's currently around 9:52, so we still have like 38 minutes before our boat ride. But anyway, I just ordered this coffee. So this coffee costs around 5 euros or mga 300 pesos. Plus croissant like for 250. So that's around probably sabihin na natin 150 pesos. So, yun siya. So, ito yung iced coffee nila. Hindi siya puno, hindi ko alam. Baka small lang kasi in order ko. And then, you have the big croissant here. Not sure kasi if merong pagkain sa island. So, anyway, yun siya. Auri coffee. And ito yung view ko. Nasa labas pala ako. Ayan. Diyan ako guys. So, yeah. Balikan ko kayo guys pagka punta na tayo dun sa pier. Hi guys, so nandito na ako ngayon sa boat. I actually rented the whole place. So ako lang mag-isa ditong pasahero. Ito yung boat. Very classic yung boat nila. Very nice. Actually may isa pa pala. Ayan, may papuntang isang babae diyan. Pero ito yung boat nila. Ayan. Ayan. Look. And then doon tayo pupunta sa island na banda doon. So, not sure if makikita nyo siya. But anyway, yan. Banda doon yung kanyang island na pupuntahan natin. So, tapos ito lang yung boat. That's the Helsinki, Finland flag. So, let's go. Yeah. So, i-boat tour ko kayo guys. So, anyway, ito yung parang cockpit ng boat. I'm not sure kung same pa yan. Tapos meron ditong cafe. And then, ito yung sanang pumasok. And then, pwede ka umupo sa taas or sa baba. Anyway, punta tayo dito. So, ito siya. Doon sa taas kasi mainit. As an Asian Pinoy. So, dito lang dapat tayo. No? So, ayun siya. Very, very old yung kanyang style. But anyway, very classic din naman. So, ayan yung dagat. Hi guys! I think one of the realizations when traveling, ano mo yung pinakagusto kong part sa pagta-travel, and especially like traveling solo, is that when you get lost, that's the time when you are able to see the great things. And a croissant?
Croissant?
Wait, yes.
Yeah. That's all?
Yeah.
25 euros, thank you.
Hi guys, so I ordered salmon soup. Ayan siya, for 20 euro as well as yung croissant. So that's 5.5 and this is 20. So 1,200 pesos as well as 300 pesos. So yan, bon appetit guys. And sikat sila dito sa salmon soup nila. Parang yun yung parang main dish nila dito. So titikman natin. Dito sa island actually umulan. So kumain muna ako. It's currently 1 p.m. here. So let's see kung masarap siya. So guys, this is a review of the salmon soup. So check natin muna. So I have here, ang laman niya is yung salmon, patatas. Patatas to. Mga patatas, ayan. Salmon tsaka patatas na, tsaka creamy. Sana lasang sopas. Iba yung lasa niya. Salmon, talagang salmon na salmon. Sarap naman. Parang ang sopas pero pag nilagyan mo ng salmon. So yun. Very nice sa weather. Sarap guys. Kala ko mahal dito, hindi naman pala. Parang 25 lang inabot nito. Sa Switzerland, parang 1,000 pa lang yun. Tapos meron siyang tinapay tsaka salmon. By the way, nag-order din pala ako ng red wine. This cost 8 euro. So, from Italy. So, ayan. Still raining, so hintay pa rin. Hi guys, so it's kind of getting cold in the island, so I decided just to go back to the city itself. It's already 2:41 ng hapon dito sa may Helsinki, Finland, and ito yung bangka sinasakyan ko. Actually, walang tao guys, parang dalawa lang kaming pasahero. And I decided to go back. Probably I'll go back to the hostel. Sobrang ganda ng island. Recommended. Hindi siya tourist spot. Para kasing naglalakad lang ako and then I wanted to search for a beach and this is the nearby beach. By the way, nagbayad ako ng 9 euros ata or 8 euros para sa boat na to kasi hindi siya kasama dun sa parang transportation ko. However, it's really nice. Ang konti lang naman yung babayaran mo and then makakapunta ka na doon. Actually, if you have friends, you can have a barbecue there. Meron din silang mga beach na pwede mo talagang puntahan. Medyo malamig nga lang, kaya hindi na ako nakapag-swimming. Nagdala pa man din ako ng towel ko. But anyway, it is one of my highlights dito sa trip ko na to. So, maganda siya. And, yun lang guys. Tingnan natin mamayang gabi if makakalabas pa ako para mag-bar. But, I'll go back first to my hostel and then, quick refresh lang and then probably get a nap and then try natin lumabas mamayang gabi. So yun lang naman guys. So hi guys. So it's currently Saturday 11:27 a.m. and ito pa rin yung suot ko. But anyway, hindi naman siya ganun napapawisan since sobrang lamig dito. But anyway, it's Saturday and papunta ngayon ako ng Taling. But before that, 1:30 pa naman yung boarding ko sa ferry. Anyway, nag-order muna ako dito sa may parang market nila dito sa may pier. Bumili lang ako ng mixed seafoods. Ayan. Give me a second. Mixed seafood. So, ayan. 20 euros yan. So, meron siyang parang mga diles. I'm not sure kung ano yon. Then, salmon and of course, calamari. And then, make vegetables to. So, kain muna ako guys. And, let's go. Hi guys, nakalimutan ko nga pala mag-outro sa video na to, but that's it for my third and last day here in Helsinki, Finland. I really enjoyed the island, nakapag-muni-muni ako, nakapag-isip-isip and relax. I also enjoyed the food, although ang sabi nila walang lasa daw yung food dito sa Helsinki, Finland. But for me, it's a food haven especially for seafood. Yung salmon, yung mga kinain kong mixed vegetables, and yeah. So basically, that's it guys. If you like this video, kindly click the like, subscribe, as well as mag-comment na rin kayo kung ano pang gusto nyong puntahan ko na country. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ciao!
There'll be girls who go